A SAF Natura 9-frame radial extractor. I got it from a bellow. Gave them a bit of a haggle and got a reasonable price. They are the importers into UK. Right then, what have I got here? I've got a manual operated one, and I'm going to convert it to electric, a powered motor one. I've already got a 9-frame radial extractor, a SAF Natura one. So converting this should be easy for me. What I've got here is the motor of my current one, the speed controller, the box that I've made. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the fixing plate, and I'm also going to drill holes in here, extra holes in these two locations there, and 2 locations down here. Using this as a template, because I've already made it, and then when my motor arrives, I'll be able to fit it quickly. Now, the one bit that is hard to make is this bit. This is the drive shank you'll see on your, this one is, but this is the one that's on the drive shank on the manual hand crank one. It's quite short. I need to make a longer one because it's got to go fit onto the drive shank of the motor, which is one like this. So it fits up quite up tight underneath. So I've got to make that out of stainless steel. I'll put it on the lathe. I use 2. I don't really need to use 2. And those 2 holes are threaded and they fit onto the shank of the this bit here. If I can swivel this around, fit on that groove there. Just there. That's where they fit. Anyway, so far I've just taken it all off. You have to watch the rest or another video to see how far I progressed. Thank you for watching. Back to the workshop and more drilling and bits and pieces.